Now we move into the Enterprise line. And as you see in the Enterprise, you could call this the pyramid of power because these scales are designed in different weights and capacities to take you into any market, whether it is logistics and shipping or POS. Let's talk about logistics first. We have two particular scales that I'm fond of for the logistics side as far as connecting to a parcel shipping system back in the receiving department. They're up to 250 pounds capacity. These are a USA-made product, heavy-duty stainless steel construction, and many, many protocols for your connectivity to the PC in the back room. There's ball-top options available for you, but the protocols is most important. SMA, NCI, Toledo PS output, Toledo SICS output, and UPS WorldShip. The beautiful thing about the Enterprise system, there's 2 or 3 great benefits for you. Number one is the bright LCD green display, and then of course the connectivity. Since this is a brand new unit on the market, we thought ahead. We have a USB-B connection to the PC. You have 3 other serial ports, which gives you the flexibility of the display. And you'll see on this particular slide, you see a remote display on the tower. We'll cover this in just a few minutes as we go along. But the Enterprise has been an exceptional product for us out of the gates. You see all of these different sizes. So the bottom scale on the bottom is the APS 250, the 250 pound capacity. Then we have the APS, which is the one on top of it, which is the 150 pound capacity. And what's important is they all now include an optional Wi-Fi addition to these products. So if you do have a scale in the conveyor system area, you want to give weight from that unit wirelessly to the hub router, you may do so. There are 3 key factors that are included in this scale. It is the remote, it is the backlit green LCD display. That LCD display can be mounted to the scale. It can be mounted on a wall. It can be mounted on a tower. So if you do want to put the scale within a conveyor environment, then you can remote mount the display. We step from logistics now to POS. And what you're going to see is the power of the APS as we spread it from logistics and shipping over to point of sale. This scale is designed for, as I said, for any market, whether it's general weighing, POS, or logistics. It's compatible with most cash register or POS systems, along with all of your PC applications in the logistic environment. And they are all NTEP, legal for trade, wireless capability. This is something that I didn't mention a moment ago. When I am Wi-Fi, this is a legal for trade Wi-Fi environment with the APS scale. It's also, it's also USA made, of course, as we noted out a moment ago, and literally any application that you have in the field. The one you see here is simply a APS connected to a POS system with a printer, and this one includes the display that's on the actual scale base itself, and then the tower display that can be mounted for the customer. This particular application that you see on screen is a piezo button that can attach to the APS scale for tearing off weight that's on the scale. Chain account users are growing every day with this product, whether it's a sandwich chain, whether it's pizza, whether it's yogurt. And why do I say yogurt? We are one of the few intelligent scale bases for POS that is legal for trade in ounces. The world of the yogurt and the nuts and the candies and the kiosks, they key on ounces. They want to sell by ounces, and we are legal for trade by ounces. This is the piezo button that you see on screen. This is a waterproof button. They simply touch that button to tear off the weight. And it also has an audible beeper. We have an application where they, as the workers were prepping and building sandwiches, they want to tear off the weight of the bread, and they want to weigh, as meats are very, very expensive, especially beef, as we know, they can tear off the weight of each condiment as they build the sandwich, build the pizza, or build condiments on any product on the scale.